Hello everyone. Today we are seeing cell receptor. Cell receptor are the proteins that are located on the surface of the cell or inside the cell. They play an important role in cell signaling. They are responsible for detecting and binding of the specific molecules. The molecules which contain hormones, neurotransmitters, growth factors, which are triggers to the cell response. There are several types of cell receptors. The types of receptors according to their structure and mode of action. First one is a G protein coupled receptors. Another receptor tyrosine kinase receptors. Third one is a ligand gated ion channel receptors. Another is a nuclear receptors, cytokine receptors and integrins. G protein coupled receptors. G protein coupled receptors are the largest family of the cell receptors in that it involves in a wide range of the physiological processes. G protein coupled receptors consist of the 7 transmembrane domains and active intracellular signaling pathway through the activation of G proteins. Another it is a receptor tyrosine receptors. Third one is a ligand-gated ion channels. These receptors are involved in a transmission of an electrical signals from nervous systems. They forms the ion channels that opens or close in response to binding of a specific ligands, allowing the flow of ions across the cell membrane. Receptor tyrosine kinase. Receptor tyrosine kinase are membrane-bound receptors that have an intrinsic enzymatic activity. They function by phosphorylating tyrosine residue on themselves or proteins leading to the activation of downstream signals. Nuclear receptors. These receptors are located in the nucleus of a cell and regulate the gene expressions. They bind to the specific molecules such as hormones or vitamins, and they act as a transcription factors or controlling the expression of a target gene. Last cell receptor is integrins. Integrins are the cell adhesion molecules that mediate interaction between the cell and extracellular matrix. They play an important role in cell migration, tissue development, and immune response. Here we see the cell receptors. Thank you. Cytokinin receptors. Cytokinin receptors are involved in immune response and inflammation. They bind to the cytokinins, which are small signal molecules, and actively activate the intracellular signal pathway.